Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the time on your Audi Q7. Begin by turning on your vehicle's ignition, but do not start the engine. This powers the MMI system without engine noise. Next, locate the multimedia interface control panel, typically found near the gear selector. This central hub is where you will interact with your vehicle's various settings. Now, let's access the time settings. Press the Setup button on your MMI control panel. This action will display the main setup menu on your screen. Then, using the MMI control knob, rotate it to highlight the time/date or date and time option. Once highlighted, press down on the control knob to confirm your selection and proceed to the next screen. Within the Time and Date menu, select Time to begin adjustments. The hour display will be highlighted. Rotate the MMI control knob clockwise or counterclockwise to set the correct hour. Once the hour is correct, press the control knob to confirm your selection. The minute display will then become highlighted, allowing you to adjust the minutes using the same rotation method. After setting the minutes, press the MMI control knob one final time to confirm your selection. You may also wish to adjust the time zone or enable or disable daylight saving time, if applicable for your region. Once all adjustments are complete and confirmed, simply press the Return or Setup button on your MMI control panel to exit the menu and save your new time settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.